written some questions here, and before doing those questions, see here I am writing one example. 2 multiply 3 plus 5. What does that mean? If I am using distributive property of multiplication over addition, that means I can write it as 2 multiply 3, 2 multiply 5 with addition sign in between. That means the solution for this is this. This is your distributive property. But today we are not starting from here and reaching here. We are doing reciprocal. We will start with this step and we will reach here. हमें ये step given है questions में, जो हमने आज questions करने हैं. We are given this step and we have to reach here. Okay? So how to do? If we are given these numbers, 4 numbers are there. Here you have to make pairs first. You will make first pair and second pair. In between, the sign can be of addition or it can be of subtraction. But one pair will have multiplication sign between two numbers. Other pair will also have multiplication sign between numbers. In between sign, you will not do anything. You will keep this sign as it is. Okay. So you are starting from this and you will reach here. How you will do? If I have two pairs, what I will do? I will take 2 out, multiply out and then put a bracket. Then I will write 3, first guessed, second guessed is 5 and then in between sign plus. If we can do from here to here, we can also start with this and we can reach here. Today the question that we are going to start are having question like this and we have to form answer like this. We have to go in the second step like this. Okay. See here. Here I have one question written here. Here it is not in bracket but I have to put it in bracket. We have to reach the first step. This is your second step. हम पहले step पे जाएंगे. ठीक है. तो अभी आपको क्या given है pair? One pair is this and second pair is this. What is the in between sign? That is plus. That means can I find which is the guest here? Guest will be a person जो common है दोनों में. Is there a number which is common? दोनों में same आ रहा है. 2 is here, 2 is not here. 8 is here, 8 is not here. But 36 is a number that is present in both the cases. So 36 is guest here. And guest will be with the sign and the sign is multiplication. Guest और उसका जो sign है वो बाहर रखोगे. Now you will put gate and then you will write the leftover numbers, that is 2. First guest, first person in the house, then second person is 8 and plus sign. So yesterday we started from here and we reached here. Today we are starting from second step and we will be reaching on the first step. And now we have to solve. Now 8 plus 2 is 10. Bracket solve. Now 36 into 10 is 360. See one more example. Can you find the pair here? Is there any pair present? Whenever addition or subtraction is there, that means that is separating the pairs. Addition or subtraction sign always separate the pairs. So this is your first pair and after addition this is your second pair. Can you find guest here? गेस्ट आपका यहाँ जो था वो फर्स्ट प्लेस पे पड़ा था. यहाँ पे आपका गेस्ट फर्स्ट प्लेस पे 491 है बट यहाँ तो नहीं है. 491 इज इन बोथ द पार्ट्स बट 491 इज हियर ऑन द फर्स्ट प्लेस एंड हियर इट इज ऑन द सेकंड प्लेस. बट गेस्ट हमें पता चल गया जो दोनों में सेम नंबर है, दैट इज योर गेस्ट. सो आप उस गेस्ट को रखोगे बाहर. देन यू विल पुट द साइन. जो वो अंदर लेके आया था वो अंदर लेके आया मल्टीप्लाई. इधर भी मल्टीप्लाई लेके आया. Then you will put a gate. Then first person in the house, leftover number, that is 21. What is remaining in this pair? That is 79. And what is the sign in between? Plus. So what you have got? 491 multiply 21 plus 79. It makes 100. That is 49100. So what you are doing here, you are not multiplying, then you are multiplying this, then you are adding. You are making your question simple like this. You are starting with first step, then you are doing you are starting with second step of distributive property and then you are making the first step. Then you are solving the bracket and multiplying the answer with the outside number. Here also you are finding which number is there in common. Take that common number out with the sign and then write down the remaining numbers, and remaining number is 21 and here remaining number is 79. Then you put in between sign. You get 21 plus 79. That makes 100. So it is 49100 on multiplication. This is your third type of question. Sometimes you are able to find the guessed. Like here in the first pair you have this and this is your second pair. And this is this in between sign that is of subtraction. In between sign that is separating the two parts of your question, that can be addition and that can also be of subtraction. जो इन बिटवीन साइन है प्लस का भी आ सकता है और माइनस का भी आ सकता है. अभी फर्स्ट पेयर में और सेकंड पेयर में इज देयर एन नंबर व्हिच इज कॉमन, जो दोनों में सेम आ रहा है. यस, आई कैन फाइंड दैट इज 73 एंड हियर आल्सो द नंबर इज 73 and it is along with sign multiplication. So I will keep 73 out, put the sign, then put gate, and who are the person that are inside house. Leftover numbers are the inside persons. The person or the number here is 196 and second person is 96. What is the in between sign that you will write in between two numbers? Let us see what happens. When addition was there, you have to do addition. When subtraction is there, you have to do subtraction. Now subtract 196 and 96. What do you get? You get 100. And 73 multiply 100 is 7300. So what you have learned, that if in between sign is addition, then you will put addition sign within the bracket along with two leftover numbers. Take common number out, write leftover numbers and with the same sign that is there in between. Then you can add and you can get your answer after multiplying with the outside number. Here also the guessed was 491. Here also the guessed was 491 as it is in both the pairs. So I will take 491 out and then put a gate and write down leftover numbers 21 and 79 with the in between sign plus. Add these numbers 100 and multiply with the outside number, you get 49100. So in such way you can make your calculation easy. You don't need to multiply this then multiply this, that will be so difficult, and this is in a 2 steps only. Here if in between sign is of subtraction, what you are going to do, you are again going to take the common number out with multiplication sign, then write down the leftover numbers, that is 196 in the first part and 96 in the second part. Then you can put your subtraction sign. Then here it is subtraction, you will do subtraction. So you get 100. Then you can multiply 73 by 100 and you get 7300 without doing such a difficult multiplication. You have got your answer just in 2 steps.